I have other question.
Is it short?
Yes. I want your advisor to see if it's true what I'm feeling.
Yes.
You know,
It is.
I used to sing and sing mainly Barry White songs.
Can you imagine what his singing voice sounds like? From the beauty of his speaking voice?
Thank you. But I realized this during a time how I was using my hands and somehow spreading or channeling energy, healing energy for the people while I was doing this.
Yes.
And people used to come to see me because they have realized that this guy can heal while he's singing and how he's using his hands. I got a little afraid and, embarrassed about this, and I stopped doing this. Then I came back to do this. Now owning it more and more.
Leave it as it is for now until you gain the confidence that you're wanting, and then follow what inspiration comes to you. And let your knowledge of what it feels like when it flows through you be the thing that you're focusing on just for a little while. No question about it. It's something to flow and something to enjoy. Not something you're assigned to, not something you're supposed to do, not something that you need to do. Let it be something that you want to do. Line up with that. Yes?
Just let it flow.
Yeah,
like
can't stop it. Can't stop it. This is a very good time for a segment of refreshment.
Thank you.